Dear student, today we start our exercise 1.1. This is question number 1. Using appropriate properties, find minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. First of all, see the question very carefully. Observe the question very carefully. जब इस क्वेश्चन को देखते हैं तो here we find that this is first term is minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. Second is 5 by 2. And third is minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. So in the first term and the third term, we find that there is 3 by 5 which is common. Now we have to use appropriate properties to find the answer of this question. Now here this is plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. This is 3 by 5. This is 3 by 5 with the first term, this 3 by 5 with the third term. If I use commutative properties, which says commutative property which says a plus b is equal to b plus a. अगर मैं a plus b अगर इसका ऑर्डर चेंज करके b plus a करता हूं तो उसके एडिशन में उसका जो सम होता है उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं आता। तो अगर मैं कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी को यहाँ यूज कर लूं a plus b, दिस प्लस इज माइन, अगर इसे यूज करता हूं जैसे here a is 5 by 2 and b here is minus 3 by 5 plus into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2 plus minus 3 by 5, this minus 3 by 5 in the bracket, this is plus a plus b is equal to b plus a, I can write. So it is now this first equation will becomes minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. मैं इसको अरेंज करके लिख सकता हूं। मैंने थर्ड टर्म को सेकंड में लिख दिया बाय यूजिंग दिस कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी। तो मैं यहां पे लिख सकता हूं कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी यूज करिए, यूजिंग कम्यूटेटिव property. Commutative property. Now here we find that 3 by 5 दोनों में 3 by 5 फर्स्ट और सेकंड टर्म में कॉमन है तो मैं इसे कॉमन ले सकता हूं। अगर मैं इसे कॉमन लेता हूं तो ये इस तरीके से आएगा, 3 by 5 कॉमन लिया तो यहां बचा minus 2 by 3, ये 3 by 5 बाहर आ चुका है, कॉमन आ चुका है, प्लस ये कॉमन था तो इसका -1 यहाँ छूट गया, दिस -1 यहाँ रह गया इनटू 1 by 6 और ये बड़ा ब्रैकेट क्लोज कर देते हैं एंड दिस 5 by 2। तो मैंने यहाँ पे कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी यूज करी है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी। दिस इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी हमने यहाँ पर यूज किया है, यूजिंग distributive property। And now what is distributive property? The distributive property says a into ब्रैकेट के अंदर b plus c मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, जब मल्टीप्लाई सबसे होगा तो ab प्लस AC, ये इस तरीके से ये मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा। तो ये भी मल्टीप्लाई इससे हुआ था तो मैंने डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी में मुझे इस फॉर्म में था और मैंने इस फॉर्म को यूज कर लिया, इसमें से जो कॉमन था a को यहाँ ले लिया। नाउ दिस इज a मल्टीप्लाई बाय b प्लस c, 3 by 5 is common, I have taken 3 by 5 out and this is b plus c. So when I will solve this question, this 3 by 5 is out, we have taken out and it is minus 2 by 3. When this multiplied with -1 multiplied with this, it becomes plus minus 1 by 6 because this -1 is multiplied with this and bracket close and this term plus 5 by 2. now this is 3 by 5 minus 2 by 3 plus minus is minus, this is minus 1 by 6 and this is plus 5 by 2. Now this is 3 by 5. I take the LCM of this and the LCM of this is 6. 3 2 is 6. So 2 से multiply करेंगे. This 2 minus 2 multiplied with 2 is minus 4. इसमें कुछ multiply नहीं होगा, ये रहेगा minus 1. ये bracket close plus 5 by 2. इसको मैं यहीं लिख लेता हूँ. This is 3 by 5 and this is minus 5. This is minus 5 by 6 bracket close plus 5 by 2. This here it is in multiplication. So when I multiply this, it is 3 by 5 multiply with minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. This 5 से 5 cancel हो जाएगा, यहाँ बचेगा 1. 3 1 जा 3 3 2 जा 6. So it becomes, यहाँ से क्या बच गया, यहाँ से बचा minus 1 upon 2 plus 5 by 2. दोनों का एलसीएम लेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 2. एलसीएम दिस इज minus 1 plus 5 is equal to 4 by 2 and it becomes 2. 2 is our answer. So what properties I have used here? I have used associative property here to change the order of this term, second and third, and here I have used the distributive properties. It is AB plus AC. I have taken out A and A is common, so it is A into B plus C. So this here I have used a distributive property and 2 is my answer. Student, this is our second part of question number 1. Using appropriate properties, find 2 by 5 into 3 minus 3 by 7 in the bracket minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. First observe this question very carefully. हम ये देखते हैं, when we observe we find that this 2 by 5 is common here, and if I change, this is my first term, this is second, this is third, if I change the order here by using commutative property, I can be able to solve this question. So here I will use commutative property. Using commutative property, first I write 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 and now it is plus 1 by 14, no change in sign, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. A plus B is equal to B plus A. This is A, this is B. Using here it is, हमने कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी यूज करी? यूजिंग कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. By using commutative property, this A plus B is equal to B plus A. So now it is 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Here we find this 2 by 5 is common, so I can use distributive property here. I will take 2 by 5 out. By distributive property, this A multiplied by B plus C is equal to A into AB plus AC. So if I take 2 by 5 out, so it will be, here I will use distributive property. 2 by 5 is common, so here it is minus 3 by 7. 2 by 5 मैंने कॉमन ले लिया तो बच गया मेरे पास minus 3 by 7. यहाँ से भी 2 by 5 कॉमन लिया तो मेरे पास बच गया plus 1 by 14. ये था, इसमें मैंने इस तरीके से मुझे क्वेश्चन दे रखा था और मैंने इसको कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी से 2 by 5 कॉमन रख के a into b plus c में से कन्वर्ट कर लिया. अब जो लास्ट टर्म रह गई मेरे पास वो है minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. So I take, it is 2 by 5, and here I will take the LCM. It is minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14. This bracket is closed. This is a multiplication, so numerator multiply with numerator, denominator multiply with denominator. But I can also cancel this by this. This is, first I multiply this, numerator multiply with this, numerator is 3 into 6 into 2. So it is now here 2 by 5, and in the bracket I will take the LCM. So LCM here is 14. 7 multiplied 2 is 14, so it is minus 3 multiplied with 2 is minus 6 plus 1, and here it is cancel. So when I cancel this, 3 into 6 into 2, 3 with the 3, 3 to the 6. So it is now 2 by 5, and in the bracket minus 6 plus 1 is, minus plus is minus, तो माइनस होगा 5, 6 minus 1 is 5, बढ़ेगा साइन, minus 5 upon 14, 1 bracket. It is now cancelled. It is 1 in the numerator and denominator it is 4. Now it is multiplied, 2 multiplied by minus 5 and 5 multiplied with 14, 5 with the 5. So this is minus 1 here, so 2 to 7, 14, and this is minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 multiplied with minus 1 is minus 1 upon it is 7. It is minus 1 by 4. I take the LCM. 7 for 28. This is multiplied with this is minus 4. Multiplied with this is minus 7. It is minus 11 upon 28 is my answer. This one here I have used commutative property to change the order of this. Here I have taken 2 by 5 common, so I have used distributive property.